got this 1988 Ford Ranger, and I got my old truck's exhausted, and I want to put it on this exhaust, but she may be a bit too big, so I'm gonna have to drill a couple holes in the exhaust and then put a bolt in it. So let me do that really fast. So I am drilling a hole, and this is a tutorial for this exhaust on a 1988 Ranger. So you want to drill a hole where these holes are, 10 millimeter. You could use these will work out good, or you could use a bolt and a normal one of these to tighten it better. I reckon using these. Cut till I get this hole. We got the exhaust on. I'm gonna get those other holes on, but that's what it'll look like after. So let's cut to it. Alright, we got the exhaust tip on. Now it'll look like better. So let's fire up here. Alright, we got it. Finally, let's go. She sounds like Rev. Let's go back. Alright, well, that's what she sounds like. If you guys want more how-to videos on the 1988 Ford Ranger, I'll be checking the comments. Follow and like this video, please. Since it's kind of windy out of the actual sound of this exhaust. But that's it for today, and stay tuned for next video. I'm going to tighten this up some.